How to put together WeatherPack connectors. First, strip your wires. Then slide WeatherPack gaskets on your wires. Grab a terminal and slide it into place over the gasket and exposed wire. You might have to trim your exposed wire to fit correctly and snugly. Start crimping your terminal to the exposed wire and gasket. Be sure to get it crimped tightly and securely. You don't want your plug pulling off. Rinse it and repeat for additional wires. Now time to slide your terminals into your cavity. Snap terminals into place, then lock terminals into cavity with a snap lock. Voila, you are done.